Hello students, I am Pramod Jadhav. Today I will teach you a triumph of surgery, which is the chapter number 1 in class 10th. Book Footprints Without Feet. A Triumph of Surgery is written by James Harriet. Now let's discuss the title. A triumph. Here triumph means victory. Surgery. Surgery means veterinary hospital. So here veterinary hospital, what is the veterinary hospital? Where animals are given treatment for their illness. In this story, we will study that there is a pet dog which eats a lot and has become very fat. So, how did the doctor take that dog in his surgery and what treatment is being given? He makes dog again fit and fine like normal one, and due to his surgery that dog is back to home. That's it. While reading the story, I will discuss the word meaning of difficult words and I will explain the story. Let's begin. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress, and I was shocked at his appearance. Now, here I is the narrator. Who is the narrator? Narrator is the James Harriet. Now, when James Harriet was driving his car on the street, he saw Tricky. Tricky is the dog who was in the street with his mistress. Mistress means honor, with his honor. And by watching him, the writer was very shocked. He was surprised. Why he was surprised? Due to his appearance. Now let's see further. He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage, with a leg at each corner. Now, here, sausage. What is the meaning of sausage? Sausage. Sausage means finely minced meat stuffed into long cylindrical cases and divided into small lengths by twisting or tying. So here the dog was very fat, and due to it was looking like the sauces, like bloated means फुला हुआ, like the फूला हुआ, बहुत फूला हुआ सॉसेज के जैसा लग रहा था. And a leg at each corner, and leg a leg at each corner मतलब चारों कॉर्नर पे एक एक लेग्स है, एक एक पैर है. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaw. Now see, how was the situation of the dog? His eyes bloodshot. Bloodshot means here red, and rheumy. So what is the meaning of rheumy? Rheumy means a watery discharge from a mucous membrane, especially of the nose or eyes. So there was a watery discharge running from the nose and eyes of that dog, and his tongue lolled from his jaw. Now his tongue was also lolled. Means what is the meaning of tongue lolled? Here ह्यूज लूजली ड्रॉप्ड, मतलब उसकी जो जीभ थी वो बाहर ऐसे लटक रही थी. नाउ लेट्स सी फर्दर. मिसेस Pumphrey hastened to explain. Hasten means jaldi jaldi. He was so listless, Mr. Harriet. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition, so I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up, some malt and cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. Now, here Mrs. Pumphrey. Pumphrey Pumphrey is the owner of the dog. She is giving explanation to the doctor. What she is telling? She is telling he was so listless. Listless means lacking energy and enthusiasm. Who was lacking in energy and enthusiasm? The dog. Tricky was lacking energy and enthusiasm. So that's why what she had done. So she thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So she has given some little extras between meals. Means between meals. between meals means खाने के बीच में, खाने के टाइम के अलावा, मतलब उसको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा खाने के लिए दे रहे थे. व्हाट दैट वाज? माल्ट. व्हाट इज द माल्ट? माल्ट इज हियर all drinks made of malt like Bonvita, Horlicks, and different drinks are there. They are made of malt. Now cod liver. Now here cod liver. Cod liver is a kind of fish, and from her liver that a particular capsule is there, and that is provided being. So cod liver oil is being given. The capsule of cod liver oil is being given, and bowl of Horlicks at night. So this much she was giving. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? Now doctor is asking to the Mrs. Pumphrey, as he prescribed, she has to cut down some sweet things. But what is the reply of the Mrs. Pumphrey? Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak I had to relent. Now see. Now she is telling here, did for a bit. Now what is the did for a bit? For some time means she had cut some time, but he seemed to be so weak, and so what she is giving explanation, he means dog was seemed so weak, so I relent. Now see, relent means leave the harsh behavior, means she has become very lenient to the dog, means she hasn't cut anything. He does love cream, cakes, and chocolates, so I can't bear to refuse him. And dog loves cream, cakes, and chocolates, so she was not able to refuse him. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't mentioned. Now, see, what is the now next action was there? Doctor was telling us that the dog's fault is nothing, but dog can't refuse anything. Now here only the fault was that dog was very greedy. He never had been known to refuse the food, and any time, if any time meal was given, so dog was not refusing, dog was eating it, and that was its greed, and that's why Mrs. Pumphrey hadn't even mentioned all these things when he was taken to the hospital. Now, are you giving him plenty of exercise? Now, see again, writer is asking, are you giving him plenty of exercise? What is the answer of honor here is, well, he has his little walks with me as you can see, but Hodgkin, the gardener, has been down with lumbago. So there has been no ring throwing lately. Now see here the what is the exercise? Number one exercise is that a little walk, and the gardener Hodgkin Hodgkin is having lumbago. Now what is lumbago? Muscular pain in the lower part of the back. Lumbar region means कमर के नीचे. So that's why there has been no ring throwing lately, means the gardener was playing with the dog doing the exercise that was ring throwing, but it is also not done. So now see what happens ahead. I tried to sound severe, means severe means here serious. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. Now, your doctor is again giving advice to the Mrs. Pumphrey. What is the advice? He is telling by looking towards the dog, now it is very tough time, and if she do not she does not cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. And now she is telling whatever the your love is there, whatever your feelings are there, now what you have to do, you have to keep aside everything and you have to pay attention on dog's health. Now what is the answer of the honor is there? See, Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. रंग मीन्स वहाँ पे पिक में आप अब जब देखोगे तो उनके जो हाथ है ऐसे हिला रहे हैं कि ओके, मीन्स इन अ पॉजिटिव वे शी इज शेकिंग हर हैंड्स. ओ आई विल मिस्टर हैरियट, आई एम श्योर you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off, head down, along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Now see, and by giving the positive sign. She has accepted whatever the advice given by the Dr. Harriet. And now, here, what is the regime? Regime means prescribed course of the exercise and diet. So she has given positive answer that right now onwards I will do everything whatever you have prescribed, exercise and diet. So now let's see further what the writer's observation is there. Uh, I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. So here, when both a dog and his honor both were walking on the way, so the doctor was observing Tricky, and Tricky was tottering. Tottering means here walking in unsteady manner. So, and you can see here, Tricky has wore a tweed coat which is made by tweed, and Tricky only doesn't have only one coat. Tricky was having so many coats. Tricky was having special wardrobe, and in that wardrobe so many coats are there for cold weather and even wet days. Wet days means rainy days, raincoats are there. But even though he was struggling for walking, here drooping is there. Drooping means what? Drooping means walking in unsteady manner, and in his harness means here strap, string. So in that string, the string was in the hand of the lady, and even he was walking with a great difficulty. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. So here a writer was thinking that it wouldn't be long, and soon he will be having uh, uh, the experience. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time laying on a rug, panting, didn't want to go for walking, didn't want to do anything. Now, see, doctor was expecting the call from the lady, and really that happened. Within few days, the mistress, the owner of the dog, called a doctor. And how was she? She was distraught, means extremely worried. She was very anxious. She was very extremely worried about the dog. And what she said? Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. Now, what is the bouts of vomiting? Means short spell. Bout means short spell. Means थोड़े थोड़े अंतराल में ट्रिकी जो है वो वॉमिटिंग करता है, खाना नहीं खाता है. He spent all his time laying on a rug panting. Means he is spending his time in sleeping. Now, panting means breathing with short, quick breaths. Out of breaths means sometimes he is breathing, okay, in short, quick breaths. Now, see, I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. Now, see what happens. Doctor has already made the plan, and the only way was what? Get Tricky out of the house for a period, means a particular time. Tricky must be kept in the somewhere, means he must be out of the house. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight. What is the fortnight? Fortnight means a time of 15 days to be kept under the observation of the doctor. Now see, doctor has already made the plan, and the poor lady almost soon she was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. Now see, the poor lady almost soon means fainted due to the extreme emotion. She was sure, and what was her assurance? He would pine. Now, what is the means pine? Pine means miss or long for her and die if he did not see her every day. So, her emotion was both were attached with each other extremely. So, they both can't get separated. So, that attachment doctor is telling us here, doctor writer is telling us here. Now, see ahead. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. Now, what happened? See, and doctor was in his firm decision. Now, he is going to take the dog to the hospital, and when he came with his car to take the doctor, at that time Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings means she was crying loudly. I marched out to the car. Now see, I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. Now see, the writer has taken the dog, wrapped the dog in the blanket, and he came out of the house towards the car. The entire staff was roused, and maids rushed in and out, bringing his daybed, his nightbed, favorite cushions, toys, and rubbers, rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. Now, see how the dog was pampered, what kind of facilities provided to the dog. Dog was having his day bed, night bed, favorite cushions, several toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl, different bowls. So it was very, very much friendly and very, very much lovable to the writer. And realizing all this stuff, all these things, so doctor's action was there. Doctor said that his car would never hold all the stuff, so drive he drives away from there. And as he moved, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry here, showing loss of hope, threw an armful of the little coats. So see here, that animal was having so many coats. So from that one coat, she has thrown through the window in the car. And when the writer was taking the turn on the corner, he has seen everybody's tears. So all the staff was also fond of the dog. Out of the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. I patted the head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad, I said. You haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. Now, see, out on the road, when they are on the road, writer glanced means looked at the pathetic little animal. Now, pathetic. What is pathetic means miserable. So very miserable condition, dog was in very miserable condition. So he looked at the that little animal who was in very miserable condition, and patted the Tricky, and made a brave effort to wag his tail. Wag means to shake. Now see, पूछ हिलाना, वैग मीन्स पूछ हिलाना. सो यहाँ पे ट्रिकी ने एक छोटा सा एफर्ट किया उसकी पूछ हिलाने का, लेकिन बहुत ही मतलब ट्रिकी की हालत अब बहुत ख़राब हो चुकी थी. सो व्हाट ही सेड, यू हैवंट किक इन यू मीन्स अब तुझ में, किक मीन्स हियर एनर्जी, यू डोंट हैव एनी एनर्जी, but I think I know a cure for you. So a cure means here a treatment. So I know what treatment must be given to you. Now see, in the next stanza, in the next paragraph, what the poet says, writer says, at the surgery, means here surgery means hospital, the household dogs surged round me. The household dogs means other dogs, those who are already living there. So they surged round me. Now surge means suddenly came, and they were roaming towards the around the writer. Now see, when writer reached at the hospital. Now further what happens, see. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an interesting object and ignored him. Now see, other dogs came to him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes. Noisy pack means other dogs which were making the noise. They are uh, called here as a noisy pack, and looked towards them with his dull eyes because he was not having energy. When put down, lay motionless on the carpet. So he laid very motionless on the carpet. The other dogs also came Sniffed, sniff means smelling. So smelled, dogs are having this habit to smell. So smelled around him for a few seconds, and they thought that the uninteresting, this is an uninteresting dog object, and ignored him. Now after that what happens? See, I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Now, see. So, first 2 days, nothing is given for eating, no food, only water has been provided. After that, what happened? Plenty of water drank by the dog, and at the end of the second day, started some movement, started some interest in his surrounding. On the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard, and on the third day, he began to whimper. Now, what is the here whimper? Whimper means to make a series of low feeble sound. Now he has started to make the sound. Now see, when I opened the door on the third day, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe. Now who is Joe here? The name of another dog, the greyhound, the species of the greyhound, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Now, see, on the third day, when the writer opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted out means ran at a moderate pace with a short steps. So ran out with a very slow space, and now see what happened. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, now Joy, who engulfed by Joy. Engulfed means surrounded or covered completely by the greyhound and his friends. Who was surrounded? Tricky was surrounded. And after rolling him, means they made him roll over and thoroughly inspected him, and the dogs moved off down the garden, and all dogs went to the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus flat, and Tricky also went back to them and followed, rolling slightly, and then gone. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan stopped the food into the bowls. I watched while Tristan sloped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sounds of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Now, see, later that day, what happened? the writer was present during the feeding time, and writer was observing even Tristan. Tristan is the name of the dog, and who was slopping. Now, what is the here slopped? Slopped means spilled over the edge of a container. So, his food was spilling over the edge of the container, food container, that was the bowls. And there was a competition, means it was like that competition, every dog was eating very fast. So if anybody remain back, and that become the part of competition for the last part of his meal. So that's why everybody was eating very fast. Now see next paragraph, what is there. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Now she. Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside on one or two of them. Now Tricky got second bowl also. Next day an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. Now see. So what happened after finishing? Tricky was also looking for another bowl, but that day he didn't get. So next day what happened? Writer has provided him the extra bowl, and by watching that, Tricky was very pleased, and he was jostling. Okay. From then on, his progress was rapid, and from that day, from that incident, his progress was very fast. Rapid means fast. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed every few minutes. Now, see, now here scrimmages means, what is scrimmages? Rough or confused struggle. Now, what happened? Now, slowly that dog was mingling in the with the other dogs, and now playing with all other dogs, and there was a very rapid covering, you can see. And now he discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew. Now how was the Tricky? Tricky was very silky object among the shaggy. Shaggy means having long, thick hair or fur. Having long, thick hair or fur. So it was looking very silky. It was very good pet, or getting all kind of facilities. So it was looking differently, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal time, and hunting rats in the old hen's house at night. Now see, and it was, the dog was fighting like the tiger and for the food, and even in the night, what it was doing, it was hunting the rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. Actually, dog didn't enjoy such a life with other dogs, and that's why dog was enjoying every moment of his life. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. Now, see, now Mrs. Pumphrey's love for the dog was extreme. So she was very anxious and she was moving in the background. She was calling more than dozen time a day for the latest bulletins. Bulletins means news about the dog. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convulsing rapidly. Now, see, convulsing here means getting recover from his illness. So, she was very anxious whether they have changed his cushions or not, whether they are giving him proper coat or not according to the weather. So she was very anxious because of her love to the dog. Now the word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Now, see, so she was so much caring about the dog. So she was sending 2 dozen eggs at a time every day, and that was not given to the dog. So now staff of the hospital and doctor himself was enjoying every day 2 eggs in the breakfast. Not only this much, even wine bottles also every day being sent by the Mrs. Pumphrey, and that was also enjoyed by doing the party by the staff members of the hospital. Now see, it was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Now see. So why it was to enrich Tricky's blood means Tricky should get the energy, and that's why it has been sent. But doctor was having already planned. So doctor was giving only 2 glasses and other all the staff was enjoying. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. Now, see. Now, writer is telling us the lady, she was even sending brandy also, and that brandy also they enjoyed properly and they even drank it respectfully. They were days of deep content. Content means satisfaction. Starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. Now the whole staff was enjoying, and it was a temptation to keep Tricky on a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Now see, now whole staff was thinking that the dog must be kept for more days to enjoy the all the treatments by given by the lady. Now see, but it was the rule, and now the love of Mrs. Pumphrey compelled the writer to call her after 15 days and tell to collect the dog. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. Now see, within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. The chauffeur opened the door and could just make out the figure of Mrs. Pumphrey, almost lost in the interior. Her hands were tightly clasped, clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Now see. Within few minutes, 30 feet long car, gleaming means here shining, black metal. Now see, black metal means black colored car here in front of the hospital came, and the chauffeur means driver who opened the door. And what happened? Now she was very eager to meet the dog, very eager to see the dog, and she went to the doctor and she was asking, "Oh, Mr. Harriet, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? Now he is really better. Who? Dog is really better? Yes, is fine," answered by the Mr. Harriet. There's no need for you to get out of the car. I'll go and catch him, fetch him. Now he told that no need to come out of the car. He will go and fetch means bring the dog. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dog was hurtling round and round the lawn, and in their midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in a great bounce, his chest almost brushing the ground. Now, see what happened when the writer went into the ground. He saw all the dogs of that hospital were making round and round, and inside the that Tricky dog was standing and flapping means flapping his ear, tail was waving, and now it was the time to go at home, but it was a lithe. Now what is lithe? Lithe here flexible. So when in the beginning dog was very fat, it was very drowsy, it was very lazy. Now it is very lithe. Lithe means flexible, hard muscled animal. Okay. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. The chauffeur was still holding the car door open, and when Tricky saw him, mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. She gave a startled "Oh!" and then had to defend herself as swarmed over her, licking her face and barking. Now see what happened. The writer brought the dog, and as soon as the dog saw the mistress, Honor, dog jumped out of the hand of the writer and again ran towards his Honor, Mrs. Pumphrey, and jumped again on in her hand, but she was defending herself, and then she caught him, and dog was now licking her face and barking at her. During the excitement, I helped the shopper to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. This is a triumph of surgery." And now it was very excitement. Now the lady was taking the dog back at the home, and while she was going at home, she was thanking, and she gave the last words that this is the triumph of surgery, triumph of hospital. So in this way the story is here about the little dog, which was very small dog, pampered dog, overfed by his mistress, and Dr. Harriet recovered the illness of that dog. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice time.